The DP-3002 dash panels are designed for 1999 to 2002 full-size GM trucks and SUVs, including Chevrolet's Avalanche, Silverado, Suburban, and Tahoe, along with GMC's Sierra and Yukon. Visit metraonline.com for up-to-date vehicle-specific information. This large panel replaces the factory dash panel to provide the space for mounting a modern double-din radio with no custom fabrication work required. The DP-3002 dash panels are available in 5 different paint options to match the factory appearance. Starting with the DP-3002B, which is painted matte black. Next, you have the DP-3002TB, which is a textured black. Then you have the DP-3002GY, which is a gray. Next, we have the DP-3002PWT, which is painted pewter. And last, we have the DP-3002SHL, which is painted shale. For any more information on this product, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.